Hello guys, this is Niyaz. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss an important topic of WordPress platform, which is plugins. Plugins play a very important role in every WordPress website, which is essentially core factor for the performance and design. So, we are going to discuss about top 10 must-have essential plugins for the WordPress. All the plugins which we are going to discuss is completely free. And also, I am giving you the disclaimer that we are not going in detail about every plugin. I am giving you the list of top 10 plugins and I will give you the short overview of each plugin. Let's jump into the list first. First of all, we have to understand the purpose of plugins. Basically, the main purpose of the plugins is to add additional functionalities to the WordPress platform. So here, we also consider three things. Don't overuse the plugins because which negatively affects your website performance. And second thing, use the plugins from authenticated source. Sometimes people use the plugins from crack plugins they use, so it will directly affect their website security and their websites getting hacked. Those so many things are going to happen. So always not use any kind of crack or null plugins. Also don't overuse the plugins because it will affect your website load speed. So let's first understand the plugin purpose, then we will discuss about the plugin. The first plugin that we are going to discuss about the page builder. Page builder gives the functionality to the WordPress platform to design the web pages. Say for example, we are in a home page. To design this page like this, I use Elementor page builder. Elementor page builder gives you the functionality. You can simply drag and drop, and you can play with all the fonts, colors and everything you can do with a easy to use interface. You don't need to do much with the coding. You can simply create columns. Within the columns you can create widgets like sections. You can create images. You can add image element. You can add icon element. You can add image box. All the things you can do with Elementor. There is no endpoint for the Elementor. There are endless possibilities you can do with Elementor. You can customize as per your wish. For more detail, you can follow my upcoming videos, which I'm going deep into all the Elementor functionalities and features. So for the page builder, I highly recommend to use the Elementor page builder, which is completely free. Second thing that we are going to cover is about design elements. Sometimes Elementor free version is not going to provide some kind of like advanced accordion, tabs and like forms, these kinds of features and load elements. But with the help of additional plugins like premium add-ons, essential add-ons or jeg elements, so you can use one of these plugins to take your designs to the next level. In our case, I recommend premium add-ons. You can also try essential add-ons or jeg elements. So with the help of premium add-ons, you will get additional elements and widgets. You are going to get widgets from the Elementor free plugin. You will get so many like premium widgets for free through the premium add-ons, like dual headings. You can get the carousel. You can use lottie animations in your web pages. You can use theme sections. There are so many things. You will get the pricing tabs. You can get all the like custom clientele kind of thing. You can get the progress bar. There are so many widgets. I think there are 70 plus widgets which are available for free on premium add-ons plugin. You can try this premium add-on, also you can try essential add-ons or jeg elements. Next, there is no custom header and footer functionality in Elementor free version. In that case, you can use Elementor header and footer builder by the Brainstorm Force, which is one of the best plugin which gives you the ability to create custom header and footer. If I open this plugin details, you can see the screenshots here. You can simply go to that plugin and there is an option for Elementor header and footer builder. You can create one header and give the conditions where you want to display the header and footer. You can include and exclude the things and pages. That is a different thing. So this plugin gives you the functionality to create custom header and footer. You can edit the custom header footer through the Elementor, and this plugin is 100% free. You can use it directly. So this is one of my favorite plugin for the custom header footer feature for the free. Next, the contact forms. For every website, contact form is very important. In my case, if you see my website, I'm using here Elementor Pro contact form, but in free version, Elementor don't have that functionality. Elementor contact form is a pro version. In that case, you can use the plugins like Forminator, or you can also use Ninja Forms. You can use WP Lite, or you can use Contact Form 7. But I recommend Forminator because the interface is very clean. You will get so many additional functionalities than a general non contact form. You can get the registration done, you can customize the login, you can customize the sign up, and there are so many drag and drop features are available. You can also edit the conditions, like after you can also create the redirects after contact form submission. There are so many things that you can do with the Forminator plugin, which is completely free. You can give a try to it. Next plugin we are going to discuss about online store. So some people want to sell their products online. So in general, we obviously know the WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a world's one of the most popular open source e-commerce platform. With the help of WooCommerce, you can list the products. You can list out all the products which you have. You can manage the inventory. You can create products. You can turn your normal website into a dynamic e-commerce store. With the help of WooCommerce, you can add products. You can update products. Also, you can add all kind of simple products to the complex variable products. You can add downloadable products. There are so many things that you can do with the WooCommerce. There are endless possibilities with the WooCommerce plugin. So, to know more about the WooCommerce plugin, I am going to cover all the topics related to WooCommerce in my further upcoming videos. So stay tuned with my channel. Then next we are going to discuss about speed and performance. For every website, speed and performance is a very important factor. If your website is very speed, you can get more business for your website. Say for example, if I test my website speed, the speed of the website is more than 95% because I always follow the best practices which I do. Let's test my website speed first, then I like talk about the plugins. I am in page speed sites. I'll click my website page speed. Let's check the website's page speed first. How much speed I'm getting. So to speed up the website, you need to follow a few important things, like you need to have the right hosting provider, you need to use the images, you need to use optimized images, you need to use the proper theme and everything. Here you can see my website speed is 100% and load speed is 0.4 seconds, is less than 1 second. In the mobile version you can see my website speed is 99%. So this is just, I'm giving you the example. You can achieve this speed if you are following the right methods in a right place. So for speed optimization, I highly recommend Lightspeed Cache, which I use. So which gives you so many comprehensive features to speed up your website. It will give the automatic cache system. Also, it can increase your WordPress website speed performance by compressing your CS files, CSS files, JS files, and also there are so many compression options are available if you want to optimize your images, and it's also provide virtual CDN option also available. You can enable that as well. There are so many comprehensive options. If you want to get to know more in detail, I will cover this topic in very soon. So I'll cover all the aspects of the Lightspeed Cache plugin. So I highly recommend, with the help of this plugin only I'm getting this kind of speed. You can see So I highly recommend Lightspeed Cache plugin for your website speed and performance. Then security. The security of website is very important because nowadays the people are getting so many problems with because they don't follow the standard security methods for their WordPress website. So you need to know how exactly the online things work. So in all-in-one SEO plugin, you will get all that options to protect your website from hackers, and you can also always make sure using the right plugin for the security. I highly recommend all-in-one WP security plugin for it will enable the firewall. It will also gives you the database file protection. There are so many features you can explore in this plugin, which is completely free. You can use it. You can even change the default WP directories in your backend files. Also, you can like protect the website from all kind of malware attacks through this plugin, which is highly recommended. If you are looking for a perfect security plugin, I recommend all-in-one WP security. Next, backups. Taking backups for website is very important. Sometimes the security breaches may happen, your website getting hacked or you lost all your data. In that case, having a backup is very important. For backup, I use WP all-in-one WP migration. This plugin is very easy to use. So with the help of single click, you can export complete website. In general, what happens? You have to take the backup of your files. Then also you have to take the backup of your database separately, like MySQL files in general cases. But with the help of this all-in-one WP migration plugin, you can export your complete files, including the database, with a single click. You can save those files in offline also. You can also save that in your Google Drive. So whenever something happens to your website, you can always restore those files. Always you can restore your website with a single clicks. So having a backup for your website is very important. In that case, you can always use all-in-one WP migration, which is easy to use. You can export, import, and restore the website, which is completely free plugin you can use. Then SEO. After creating a website, it's very important for you to appear on the Google search results. To do so, you need a proper SEO for your website. To do that, there is a plugin which is always in place, like Yoast SEO you can use. Yoast SEO helps you to optimize your page titles, meta description. It also gives you to the like edit the snippets. You can do so many things with the Yoast SEO plugin. You can also generate the sitemaps, which is very important for the Google Search Console to detect your all website pages and categories. Then it will index. So Yoast SEO gives you the ability to optimize your website for the search engines. Whether it's a Google search engine or Bing, Yoast SEO is very important. There are so many features you can explore with Yoast SEO, which is completely free. For SEO, I highly recommend Yoast SEO plugin. Next, installing scripts and tags. Sometimes you are running Google ads, or sometimes you want to monitor the website user behavior. You want to connect the Google Analytics. Sometimes you are running Facebook ads. You want to track all the website conversion. In that case, you need to add the scripts and tags to the Google your WordPress website. In that case, generally you can do the manual methods, like directly you can paste the script into the theme file of like theme PHP files, but that is not recommended. Sometimes you might end up with making the changes in core files and your website will be getting broken. To avoid those kind of issues, you can always use WP code plugin for installing the scripts and tags, like verification tags in without touching the code. For example, if you want to connect the Google Analytics, you will get a code. You can directly create and add new code. You can select the placement, whether you are going to place this on header or footer or body. You can select that, and you can activate and deactivate the code with a single click. You don't need to touch the back end of the PHP files. it's very important to have these plugins if you're connecting your website with Google tags or scripts, those things. WP Code plugin is the best plugin to install the scripts on your WordPress websites. And I hope we are almost got all the aspects of the WordPress website. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. And if you have any questions or clarifications regarding this plugin, please feel free to comment below. I'm always happy to respond. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. And thanks for watching. This is Niyaz signing off.